Welcome to the very first episode of Solve It Sunday's Math Challenge here on Mathnetics. Today's challenge is to arrange these numbers with huge powers in ascending order, that is starting from the smallest to the largest. So take a moment to pause the video if you'd like and see if you can crack it before I show you the solution. So here we have been given three numbers. That is 2 to the power of 5555, 3 to the power of 3333 and 6 to the power of 2222. Now to arrange them in ascending order, let us try to bring them to the same power. So we can observe that these powers are multiples of 1111. So we can write 2 to the power of 5555 can now be written as a multiple of 1111. That is 5 times 1111. Similarly, the second power can be written as 3 times 1111. And for the third number, 2222 can be written as 2 times 1111. Now remember that this is of the form a to the power of m times n. So we can write this as a to the power of m raised to the power of n. This is by using the laws of indices. So here we can write these three numbers as, so using this law we have written 2 to the power of 5, we have taken this power inside the bracket, raised to the power of 1111. Similarly for the second number we have taken this power 3 inside the bracket, giving us 3 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1111. And finally for the last number we have taken this power 2 inside, giving us 6 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1111. Now 2 to the power of 5 is 32, 3 to the power of 3 is 27 and 6 to the power of 2 is 36. So we get the first number as 32 to the power of 1111, the second number as 27 to the power of 1111 and the third number as 36 to the power of 1111. So now we can see that the powers of all the three numbers are same. So it becomes easy for us to guess the smallest number and the largest number. So the smallest number out of 3 is going to be 27, which is 3 to the power of 3333. And the largest number is going to be 6 to the power of 2222. So the smallest is going to be 3 to the power of 3333 and the largest is going to be 6 to the power of 2222. So the correct option over here is going to be option B. So this is our answer. I hope you understood the steps and liked the video. You can find similar math challenge questions on this playlist. And thank you for watching.